Hello everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect FXIFY to MetaTrader 5 in 2026. In order to do it, first of all, you need to download and install the MT5 application on your device from Google Play Store or App Store. So once you have done that, you need to simply open your FXIFY account dashboard. So when you purchase your funded account with FXIFY, you just have to log in into your dashboard, and there you are going to get your account details. You are also going to get your MT5 login credentials. That includes your MT5 login ID, the password, and the server. So once you have it, you just have to copy the details from there. Then simply launch your MetaTrader 5 application just like I did. Over here on the home page itself, simply tap on the option of add trading account. After that, in the search bar, you just have to simply search for that particular server that you have received in your dashboard. So once you look for that particular server, you are going to see the name over here in this list. So once you are able to find it, simply tap on that. Then simply provide your login ID, then provide your password. You don't need to change anything over here. So then simply tap on the option of login, and this way you will be able to log in into your FXIFY account via MetaTrader 5. If this video helped you out, consider subscribing to the channel and liking the video. Thanks for watching.